Hello everyone. So tonight I'm very excited to be doing a traveling ring pour with a thinner consistency paint. It's something I did when I took a class from Cathleen Ozmore of Cause Creations when I was at the FAB conference, the Fluid Art Boutique conference in Washington, DC. And if you ever get a chance, I have to say, if you ever get a chance to take a class from Cathleen, I highly, highly recommend it. One of the best things I've done for my art ever. So she is, I know, teaching at the Fluid Art Experience in July in Dallas this year. So if you haven't checked that out, you probably should. So tonight what I'm going to do is a split color base and then do a traveling ring pour across it. And my pouring medium is mix pour. You can get your own mix pour from Krista Rasmussen by emailing her at krista8974@gmail.com. And my base coat is a mix of titanium white from Amsterdam and warm gray. It's a very kind of a taupey, beigey color mixed with the white. It gave me this really nice gray beige. I love it. This is DecoArt satin, DecoArt 24 karat gold. This is DecoArt's copper. This is a mix of Amsterdam's Van Dyke brown and DecoArt copper. I'm also using that as my other half of the split coat base. Amsterdam lamp black, some Amsterdam titanium white, and Golden's phthalo turquoise heavy body. So I'll use the gold to show you the consistency. Nothing in here but paint, mix pour, and water. And it just is on the edge of folding over itself. So it's a thin consistency, not quite making a mound. It leaves a little hill and then disappears. So it's not folding over on itself. There we go.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
And end with that chocolate. There we go. There's our cup. Now, if I start here, will you be able to see it? I think so. If I go over to the other side, will it be better? Might be. Yep, if I start over here, hopefully you'll be able to see that better. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. Wow. Nice, nice, nice. Let's get rid of that little drip there. And that one there. Give that a minute. Now this one, I think I'm going to be happy with. That's really pretty. I'm going to end up losing a lot of this, but I'm hoping some more cells pop up through here. Let's torch it and see what happens.
Ain't that a beautiful sight? Coming in quick, a little low and tight. I'm gonna catch you just right. Pull you up to outer space. Wasn't that a good day? Red guitar, purple haze, stick love and the ball was all you needed. How you did? Sing me back, mama, sing me back. 'Cause I'd give it all and more to that man. Oh, one day. And accuse the crowd, and the crowd loud, get out of here. It's gone. Wasn't that a good year? Money and cars and souvenirs, a big backyard and a big black dog, and a hole to put your feet in. Sing me back, mama, sing me back. 'Cause I'd give it all and more to that man. Isn't that a wonderful feeling? To throw somebody
Okay, I admit it, I'm a little relieved. After my other 2 pours, I was beginning to think maybe I'd lost my mojo, but I'm super happy with this. I think this is one of my favorite things I've done in a long time. The color scheme just worked out perfectly. There's really great balance in the composition. I like that. I strongly prefer this orientation because I like the darkness here on the bottom and this lighter negative space up top. I love the way these colors right here blended. Oh my God, so beautiful. So let me take you in and show you the details. I'm hoping that this dark negative space here retains that bit of texture from when I poured and tilted it. Anytime that you mix metallics with a non-metallic, you end up with these little texture-like portions. It dries completely flat. It's just the way that the pigments are collecting in certain areas, and it leaves an interesting texture when it's dried. I really like it. But following the colors through here, see if I can get in here. Yeah, there we go. Look at these cells. Wow. I tell you what, Floetrol does not do this. This is mixed pour for sure. That transparency that you get, these big multicolored boulder cells. Look at that turquoise right there. It's reading like electric blue, but it is turquoise. Beautiful up here. That looks like a geode or something. But on this area, this upper area up here, look at how it got super transparent on the edges. It just outlined in that turquoise. Oof, with the peridot and the copper right next to it, so beautiful. Wow. Look at these colors up here too. In this area, I layered the turquoise right next to the white, so it gave us that really light smokiness, wispiness. Focus, focus. There we go. But then, as far as I'm concerned, this area here is the star of the show. Look at those cells. Those colors just, wow. The copper, the peridot, the turquoise, so beautiful. I love that. And then the dark with the black there gives it so much depth. It's really 3D. I love that. Very cool. These cells here are beautiful too. Those really do look like cut stones. And all of this brown and copper up here. I love bringing in the base coat color or the negative space color into the pour. It kind of integrates everything. Sometimes I think that's really important to have that element. So there we go. I hope you like it. And thank you again, Cause Creations, for teaching me how to do that. And I'm not sure who's following me in the collab. I will put it in the description box below. But please go ahead and if you're here for the premiere, follow along on the train and see all these great things that we learned at the FAB conference. Hopefully there'll be one again next year. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime. So this is my first opportunity in the last 3 days to get this outside so we could see the dry results. It's been raining solid for 3 days, so I'm finally able to get out here. Oh, hey, Raya. How are you, baby girl? You come say hi? Say hi to everybody. Hello. So I am super happy with this piece. It's very earthy. I love that turquoise in the center there is beautiful. Oh, the mealy parrots are visiting. Nice. Yeah, this turned out amazing. I hope Kathleen is proud of what she taught me to do. I really, really love this. I love the split color base coat, and you can see that some of that texture in the brown there stayed, so it's reflective and in different ways, and like in waves. It's really cool. And again, that turquoise and green area there is just beautiful. Those cells following along there in the center are great. This whole piece just worked out so well. I love the balance of it too. So thank you very much for watching, and come back and see me sometime.